November 25th, 2003. No copper infringement intended. I turned it on LCH because it's really bad on stereo. So I just want to give you guys proof on that one. So yeah.
Live from Burbank, California. You know them. You love them. You quote them.
He's looking at you.
Your favorite stars, your favorite films, now yours to own from Warner Home Video. Hang with the pros and play the ultimate contact sport.
Sorry about that sound, guys.
He just does what he likes. Make me a believer. In Academy Award winner Oliver Stone's Any Given Sunday, collector's edition VHS loaded with extras. Discover where fate brings you.
Who knows which one of us is next?
Well, you got now? When you try to kill death in Final Destination. Experience the new American dream with Ben Affleck.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the smile on my face. Ear to ear, baby.
In the Wall Street thriller Boiler Room. Watch 10 lives intersect.
Was that unclear?
In the Oscar-nominated Magnolia. Look for the new special edition VHS of Elvis. That's the way it is. Digitally remastered with never-before-seen footage.
Anything else?
And get these other star-filled movies, some at new low prices.
How about some payback big time?
When you buy any free Spotlight videos, you'll get one free, plus over $1,400 in savings on movies, music, travel, and more.
Yes.
You know their names. You know their faces. Now own them forever. The Warner Spotlight Collection, now on sale.
I'll see you soon.
Where can you get the latest, hottest, and coolest word on what's new? Get online at New Line's eBuzz and sign up for your exclusive eBuzz Now, your direct line to New Line.
And now, our feature presentation.